Hello everyone, welcome back to Newman Tech Breakdown. Today we're taking a detailed and realistic look at Vivo's latest flagship smartphone, the Vivo X200. In this video, I'll cover the design, display, performance, camera, battery, and most importantly, pricing, with no exaggeration and no false information. So let's break it down. Design and build quality. The Vivo X200 comes with a premium flagship design featuring a clean, matte glass finish on the back and a solid aluminum frame. The phone feels well-balanced and refined in hand, clearly targeting the high-end smartphone segment. It is slim, modern, and minimal, with Vivo continuing its focus on comfort and durability. Display. On the front, the Vivo X200 features a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution. You get 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, HDR10+ support, excellent brightness and color accuracy. This makes the display perfect for content consumption, gaming, and professional daily use. Performance. Under the hood, the Vivo X200 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400, one of the most powerful processors currently available from MediaTek. This chip is built for flagship-level gaming, smooth multitasking, and long-term performance efficiency. The phone is available with 12 GB or 16 GB RAM, paired with UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring extremely fast app loading and smooth system performance. Vivo has always focused heavily on camera quality, and the X200 continues that trend. The device features a triple-camera setup co-engineered with Zeiss optics. 50-megapixel main camera, 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, telephoto lens for optical zoom. Camera highlights: excellent dynamic range, natural color science, strong low-light photography, professional-grade portrait shots. For video creators, it supports 4K video recording with advanced stabilization, making it suitable for both casual users and content creators. Battery and charging. The Vivo X200 packs a large 5,000 mAh battery, optimized by the efficient Dimensity 9400 processor. Charging features include fast wired charging, reliable all-day battery performance for normal to heavy users. This phone is built to comfortably last a full day without battery anxiety. Software experience. The device runs on Android 15, layered with Vivo's latest Origin OS in China. If released globally, it is expected to ship with FunTouch OS. The software experience is smooth, feature-rich, and customizable. Vivo has also improved system stability and long-term optimization. Price and availability, very important. Now let's talk about pricing carefully and accurately. The Vivo X200 was officially launched in China with a starting price of approximately 3,999 Chinese yuan, which roughly converts to around 550 to 570 US dollars, depending on exchange rates. A very important disclaimer: this price is for the Chinese market only. If Vivo launches the X200 globally, the price may vary depending on region, taxes, and storage configuration. As of now, global availability has not been officially confirmed. Final verdict: the Vivo X200 is a true flagship smartphone, offering premium design, top-tier performance, excellent camera system, reliable battery life. If Vivo brings this phone to the global market at a competitive price, it could be a strong alternative to Samsung and Apple flagships. Outro: call to action. So, that was the complete breakdown of the Vivo X200. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. This is Newman Tech Breakdown, and I'll see you in the next one.